I am Sandeep. Today I will make you understand how to speak English. You always say to me, "Sir, please tell me the right solution to speak English." I am telling you the whole experience of my life. Whole experience of my life is you have to learn three things: vocabulary, sentences, uses, and one more significant thing is you have to have patience and you have to have burning desire. If you have all these things, you can speak. If you have firm determination, then after you can speak. Suppose you have been trying for 2 and 3 days and you are unable to speak English. It means you cannot speak. इसका मतलब ये है आप बोल नहीं सकते. It doesn't mean like this. It means you can speak, but on condition that you have to try for a long time. If you have been trying for a long time to speak English, just around 6 months, then after you can speak English. If you have burning desire and you have firm determinations, after trying for a long time, you have to stand before the mirror. If you have been standing before the mirror and you have been practicing for a long time, you will find different type of miracle in you. You will find you are quite different than before. So please, I am advising you, if you want to speak English, you have to have practice and you have to learn vocabularies, word meanings, मतलब word meanings, vocabulary means word meanings, and you have to learn sentences, and you have to learn uses, and you have to have firm determination, and you have to have burning desire. Then after you can speak, and you have to have practice for a long time. You have to have practice just around for 6 months. Then after you can speak. You never think like this, I am unable to speak English. You have to think always you can speak better English. If you are thinking like this, you can speak. If you think like this, I can never ever speak, then after you cannot speak. If you think I can speak, then you can speak. At the time of speaking English, you have to have such kind of burning desire in you. I can speak, I can speak, I can speak. Then after you can speak. If you think I can never ever speak, then after you can never ever speak. So at the time of speaking English, you have to have burning desire and you have to speak more and more. In the starting, you will make mistake, but later on you can improve it. It's on behalf of Sandeep Gupta.